We were motivated to go with solar because of the environmental and the financial benefits of doing so. Those are things that are really important to us, reducing our impact on the planet, and so that was really the driving force.
We had spoken to a number of different folks who were looking to install solar. Mostly what we were looking for was transparency and what the deal was financially with the solar installation. That was a big one, and just, the quality of installation and reliability.
So we, through some friends who had installed systems with Exact Solar, is how we got to know kind of the sales rep for the Exact Solar team in our area. The individuals we knew were really happy with their systems, and so that is how we got to know Exact Solar.
And we had spoken to a number of different installers, and what we found attractive about Exact was just how clear and forthright they were about the process and the financials and the sort of system that they would install. It's a 34-panel system, generates about 60 to 70 kilowatt hours a day. We use it, it powers the farm, and it also powers everything in the house. Found it to be very reliable. As a benefit, it generates about 2 SRECs a month that we can, sell back to the market.
We found the installation team to be very professional and effective. Frankly, they were kind of a fun team to have on site for the couple of days that it took to do the installation. Because we installed solar array on our barn, but the power is going back to the meter on our house, it was a little bit of physically larger installation, but we found that they were really professional and frankly a nice group of people.
Feels good to essentially be off the grid. We've got a little electric car and no longer need to pay for charging it up. It's very nice to have a $4 a month electric bill. Overall, it's been great. We went from paying, $250 and upwards a month for electricity, and now we pay just the connection charge.
We think that this is a really smart choice. When we look at the impact that we're all having on the planet, it feels like we each need to do our part, and installing solar helps to really reduce the carbon footprint that we personally add to the planet. We thought Exact Solar, as we shopped around, was really, truly a great team to work with. So all in all, it seemed like a smart decision and a great one to do as soon as possible.